Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, The Aging Games. Today's topic will be meditation and my top 5 reasons for meditating. So you're probably asking yourself, what exactly does meditation have to do with anti-aging? How does that even fit into this channel? Well, you'll be surprised to learn that meditation can actually help preserve your youth, your memory, get your body to function better, to boost your immune system, and there are just so many benefits that actually would be really difficult to squeeze it all into one video, but I'm going to try to do my best. I wanted to do this video for you guys out in nature, so here I am in my beautiful garden. All you can hear is the birds chirping and the wind blowing. It's just absolutely beautiful. There's nothing like meditating outside in nature and connecting to the earth and to your whole environment. It's just the most peaceful experience you can have. So let's jump right in as to the 5 reasons why I recommend meditating for anti-aging. The first one I wanted to bring up is wrinkles and actually eliminating wrinkles. I was really shocked to hear about this because I understand all the benefits of meditating for spiritual reasons, for doing the inner work, for feeling more peaceful, relaxed. Those things all make a lot of sense to me. But how can it help wrinkles? And actually it can, because regular meditation will bring more oxygen to your cells, which in turn will actually help combat wrinkles. So that's just a really great bonus. And obviously if you're feeling inner peace and you're connected and you're feeling more grounded within yourself, then that's going to show on your face. As you probably noticed, that people that are stressed all the time and running around and they're constantly in a bad mood and have a lot of anxiety, it shows on their faces as well. And so they're probably not sleeping well, and all those things are adding up and will definitely lead to quicker aging and more wrinkles showing up and more expression lines on the face. Try meditation for wrinkles. What a great idea. Which actually brings me to my second point, and that's to reduce anxiety and stress. We all know what it's like running around all day, going to work, going home, having to clean the house, take care of the children, raise our families, walk the dogs. I mean, there's so much pressure on us. And when do you ever really get to unwind and then just sit down, leave your thoughts behind and leave the world behind and just not think about anything and just empty your mind? I mean, that's a really rare thing for most people today. We're overstimulated by electronics. We're constantly looking at our phones, our devices, our computers, staring at the TV. When do you ever just sit somewhere quietly and not do anything? So this is where meditation comes in really handy. And just look at the stressful world that we're living in right now with this pandemic going on. Many of us are feeling completely isolated. We're locked into our houses. We're not able to visit with friends, with family. It's just so much stress and so much pressure right now on a global scale. And for me, at least, meditation is like a huge release and a huge escape from all of this. Even if I can get away and do like a 10-minute quick meditation, it's like I'm reborn, I'm refreshed and more balanced, more grounded. So how does this all relate to anti-aging? Well, obviously anytime you're reducing stress and reducing anxiety, then you're actually balancing your hormones. You're also reducing your blood pressure. Actually, studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce your blood pressure by as much as 5 points. So anyone who's suffering from high blood pressure, it's definitely worth a try instead of taking medication right away. It's a natural alternative, and if you're doing it on a regular basis, it can definitely make a difference. The third reason to meditate, guys, is to have improved sleep. Studies have shown that people who meditate on a regular basis will fall asleep faster and will stay asleep longer, which you really want to do because, as I've talked about in my previous videos, sleep is crucial, absolutely crucial to our well-being, for our cells to rejuvenate, to wake up refreshed, and to feel good about ourselves. So if you're not getting regular sleep, if you're not getting 8 hours of really good quality sleep, then maybe meditation can help you with this. What I tend to do is I go to sleep at night and I have all these guided meditations downloaded on my iPad, which I put on airplane mode always. I put these meditations on and I love falling asleep to this. I like listening to meditations where someone has a really nice soothing voice that actually helps me fall asleep. So I fall asleep to these meditations and I just have amazing dreams and I fall asleep. I fall into a deep state of sleep and I wake up really refreshed in the morning when I'm doing this. Some people might say that it's actually counterproductive to be meditating while stop falling asleep because, you know, you want to be kind of concentrating on the meditation that you're doing. But I don't really think this is true, because even though I fall asleep, I think my subconscious mind is still listening to the guided meditation and it's still getting through. It's so much better than like watching some horror movie or even any of the shows that are just get you thinking. Like, for example, I used to watch Grey's Anatomy all the time, just watching those disasters that are happening and all these accidents, and I would have horrible dreams, and I was like, why do I even do this to myself at night, like when you could be meditating? So meditation can definitely help the quality of your sleep, help you stay asleep longer and wake up much more refreshed, which will show on your face. And also it will just help rejuvenate your whole body so that you'll be healthier, your immune system will be much stronger, and you'll be able to face the world head on. So the fourth reason to meditate, guys, on a regular basis is to improve your memory. If you know anything about menopause brain, or what's happening to our brain as we're reaching menopause, and it's like, oh, that reminds me, where are my glasses or my car keys? And you're constantly looking for things and having to write things down because your memory is not the same and not what it used to be. So as we're aging, we want to really have our brains functioning properly. We want to keep our memory and keep our cognitive function so that we can go about our everyday lives the same as before. And studies have shown that meditation, especially done on a regular basis, can help improve your cognitive function, it can improve your memory, can improve your long-term and your short-term memory. It can increase your mental quickness and your attention memory, which obviously I'm lacking right now because I had to look at my notes again. So my fifth and final reason today to meditate would be for overall well-being and happiness. So how does this translate to anti-aging? Well, people that are happier, that feel fulfilled and centered, they just radiate a different kind of energy, which is a more youthful and vibrant energy that people just want to be around. So of course, this is going to translate to looking different, to looking more like you used to when you were younger. I mean, just think of those grumpy old people that you might know that are just angry all the time, and they're always talking about this and that didn't happen and this didn't work out and I'm pissed off at this person and this person at that. And then compare that to another older person who is just centered, grounded, maybe they're religious, they go to church on a regular basis, or they practice yoga. They just have this energy about them where you see the young person that they used to be. It's amazing. And I think meditation can really get you there. To sum everything up, I think these 5 points are just the tip of the iceberg, because really about the benefits of meditation, I could go on forever and do a whole series of videos because it's just so comprehensive and so useful and so healing and amazing for our bodies. So to get started with meditation, it's really easy. All you need to do, I really like the guided meditations, because if you're going to have a hard time turning off your mind by yourself, then that's the way to kind of lead you through the process and to learn to do it on your own. Even though I've been meditating for many years, I still prefer the guided meditations, and I will do different ones depending on my mood. You know, if I need a healing meditation or a grounding meditation or letting go of anger because I had a terrible day and I'm really mad at someone. So you can do different ones to target different things that you may be dealing with at the moment. And also, don't worry if you're, I stressed a lot about this, especially in the beginning, if you're not able to get into like this really deep state and your mind just keeps wandering and you're thinking, oh my God, I gotta fold the laundry, I gotta do this, and what about my garden? And you're thinking of a million different things, and it takes a lot of practice to actually shut these voices off and to just turn within yourself and to let go and to get into a really deep state where you're not thinking of anything. The more you stress about trying to get into this state, you're kind of losing the benefits of meditating. So what I would recommend is just listening to the guided meditations. You can start with a 10 or a 20-minute one to begin with. Try to do this on a regular basis. Set aside 10 minutes or 20 minutes every day where you just close the door, you're in darkness, you're in silence, nobody's disturbing you, and you're just listening to your meditation. And you will see that as time goes on, you will get into a deeper and deeper state. You will see the benefits more and more, obviously. Get started, guys. It will help you so much. It will help you with your health. It will help with the way you look. It will definitely help with the way you feel. It will help with the people around you, because you're just going to be more grounded and you're going to be a nicer person overall. I hope I'm a nice person. See what my friends say. So if you're my friend and you're watching this, comment below, is she a nice person? Yes or no? And thanks guys so much for watching this video. If you like this, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the little bell. You get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.